Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on your Samsung phone. First, ensure your device runs a compatible Android version, typically Android 12 or newer. You'll also need a Google account to access Gemini's full features. Check your phone settings to confirm these prerequisites before proceeding with the installation steps. This ensures a smooth setup process. Once your phone is ready, head to the Google Play Store and search for the Gemini app. Download and install it, then open the application. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account and grant a few permissions, like access to your microphone. Finally, you can choose to set Gemini as your primary assistant, replacing Google Assistant. With Gemini installed, interacting with it is straightforward. You can activate it by saying "Hey Google" or "OK Google," just like the previous assistant. Alternatively, tap the Gemini app icon on your home screen. You can then type your questions or speak them aloud. Gemini is ready to help with tasks, answer questions, and even generate creative content. To get the best experience, always keep your Gemini app updated through the Play Store. A stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, is crucial for its performance. If you ever face minor glitches, a quick phone restart often resolves them. Remember to explore Gemini's privacy settings to understand and manage how your data is used, ensuring a personalized and secure experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.